Hi, I'm Dr. Petty with Carolina Chiropractic. I'm here with a client today who has presented into our office and is going to tell you a little bit about what he's got going on.
Just noticed some middle back pain just from doing odds and ends stuff in the gym, and right AC joint has been bothering me quite a bit, so we'll see if we can get fixed up.
Okay, alright. Now I've already done the assessment, so we're going to adjust him, and then at the end of this video we'll also KT tape his shoulder where your AC joint is causing you a little bit aches and pains and things. So the first thing I'm going to actually adjust is your shoulder. Now you had surgery on this shoulder, correct?
I did.
And then this is the one that is currently hurting you, correct?
Yep.
Alright, we're going to drop the elbow in like this. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to kind of reach around and kind of relax, right? Good. You feel that little plunk there?
Yeah.
Good. How'd it feel?
Better.
Right, relax, right? Good. Alright. A little easier to move?
Yeah.
A little less painful? Good, good. Alright, lie in your stomach for me. Now you do a lot of back-breaking work with flooring and everything else, correct?
I do.
That is a lot of bend over and everything else. Now you also have a good bit of deal of pain through here is what you told me during the...
Yeah, that's the main part.
Mm-hmm. And the shoulder's almost a secondary issue, correct?
Yeah.
You keep plenty of stress and tension up in your neck and shoulders. Dare I say, owning your own business and all, right?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so you're going to take a deep breath in, you're going to let it out, I'm going to push in here, you'll feel that kind of pop. That pop is called a cavitation. It's a gas release in the joint. Alright, breathe in, and all the way out. Good. Breathe in again, and all the way out. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Alright, lie on your side facing me. You can see how his hips want to twist just that way a little bit. Alright, bring your arm. What we're going to do is real simple, real easy. Nice and right. Good. And we'll tell the other side for me. You're already starting to move, aren't you?
Yeah.
Good. And lie your back for me. Now you said you wanted to put on a lot of weight lifting, correct? And that what you told me? Okay. You have lots of tight hips and hamstrings and everything else. Do you do much stretching?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good.
Pretty good amount, as much as I can.
I was going to say, some people unfortunately just genetically are not flexible. I'll have people that have been like a contortionist and they're like, I don't ever stretch. And then you have others that, I stretch every day for an hour every day. And you're like, you couldn't tell it, unfortunately. But a lot of that is just genetics, as well as scar tissue and things. But in this one, stretching you out a little bit. How's that?
Good.
Alright, good. Drop that leg down. I'm going to raise you up. I'm going to go up and adjust the neck. And I'm going to do a little muscle work on your shoulder. Okay? Perfect. Alright. So you feel all that tension up in there. And you just get those shoulders out of your ears. You okay there? Mm-hmm. Pretty tough guy. So we're just going to stretch it first. Stretch this way. Good. Get right up in here. Feels like I'm almost in your brain, I'm jokingly saying. You feel that?
Yeah.
That feels good but tender, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is just kind of have you relax right here, nice and easy. Good. Relax right. Just gonna decompress it a little bit here. How'd that feel?
Awesome.
Yeah, good. Stay there. I'm gonna work your shoulder just a little bit. Now this, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna hurt. Okay, so you can tell me if I need to back off. That's uncomfortable, hitting it a little bit. Yes, no, maybe?
Not bad.
Okay, good.
The tiger bomb helped.
Tiger bomb helps. Fair enough. And then I'm gonna get up in here. That's gonna be a little tender up in there. What's worse about this one is it's almost like tickle and pain all at the same time. You right? So your eye twinge just a little bit.
Yeah, I can feel it. It's both.
Yeah, it's like tickle and pain, right?
Right there.
It's awful. So I used to play baseball. Like had scholarships to different colleges. Luckily, I had a full scholarship without playing baseball, so I stopped. But and I had this done to me, so I know how it feels. I apologize, but it feels better when I'm done. All right, what we're gonna do is just kind of bring your arm right here and just a little right. Good. You're not gonna feel it really do much, but that's right in there for that AC. Okay, stand up for me. I'll KT tape you in a second. Move around, tell me how it feels.
Much looser, thank God.
Yeah.
Not so tight.
Right? On the shoulder.
Perfect.
That's everything.
It's good.
Yeah? Okay.
Yep.
You can bend and touch your toes now?
I can actually.
Right? Couldn't get quite that close before.
That's the ticket right there. That was it.
Okay, good. All right. Alright, so now we're going to KT tape. I'm going to spray with a little alcohol, so just close your eyes. This removes any lotion or anything that could be on the tiger balm, whatever that could be on the skin that could either get trapped underneath the tape and cause the skin to be irritated, as well as causes the tape to stick better. Now you want to wipe in one direction. You don't want to wax on, wax off type deal. I've already cut it, so I cut like a Y strip here and around the corner so that it doesn't catch on anything, and then we just take the anchor up here, right like that. There's zero stretch to that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and pull this, and then kind of spread that there, and kind of come down the front, and then down the back. Okay? And then it's heat activated, so you kind of want to rub it in and everything else. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other piece that I already cut, and I'm going to come across kind of where that AC joint is, in front of it though, because I want to support it. Get it right in the face, alright, sorry. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull butterfinger it a little bit there. Alright, so we're going to pull this right like that, and again, no stretch at the end. And this only has about a 20% stretch. But move that shoulder until